Guys, as you can see right now, I'm in my bathroom. Well, if you didn't know, now you know. I'm in my bathroom, and I said on my previous video that I would do a house tour. So stay tuned for this video. You know, I said I was gonna do a house tour, but then my sister kind of talked me out of it. Like the area that I live in is very safe and secure. So even if I did do a house tour and I uploaded like videos of my house and stuff, and say someone tried to come in or something, like it's impossible because there's police at the gate, and when some people come and visit anyway, the security has to call us to say yeah you can let them in. So you know, security is not an issue around here at all. I do kind of get why she doesn't want me to do it. I mean, there's just some people out there that are just a bit. So you gotta be careful and stuff with those people. So that's why. Sorry, just trying to get comfortable. That's why I'm not doing a house tour anymore. But I'm sure you guys, those who have me on Snapchat, I'll probably do something small on there because it's just Snapchat, or even Instagram. But on my full-on YouTube channel where anyone can see it, then you know, unless like I ask my dad, or yeah, unless I ask my dad and he's like, yeah, it's fine. But other than that, I'm not gonna stress myself like it's not that deep. I'm actually in my garden. Can't really see much. This is just like a wall right now. But I can show you my garden. That's not an issue. I mean, it's just a garden. So yeah. Let me just turn that thing here. So this is the garden. It looks like this because it's not really finished yet. Like my dad's got some plans and stuff he wants to do, so the garden is not finished at all. But yeah, so that's the garden. Yeah. Talk to you about guys today is the lighting is so bad here. I think I want to have to move. Yeah, anyway, I do have something to talk about though guys, so this isn't a wasted video.